Hey home cooks, welcome back to Gregcipes. Today I'm making a special healthy vegan meal prep recipe, veggie chili. I've gotten a couple requests for a healthy meal prep recipe, so here's my take on that and I hope you enjoy it. The first thing I'm going to do is chop up one whole yellow onion. Next I'm going to dice 2 large carrots. Now I'm going to dice up 3 celery stalks. I do not enjoy chopping up celery. I don't know why, but it always gives me problems. I'm not a trained chef, so my knife skills suck, and celery, I hate cutting up celery. So you know if I'm putting it in the recipe, it's because I think it's absolutely necessary. Next, I'm going to chop up a whole bunch of mushrooms. And I'm gonna use this fun technique where you grab 2 knives and just go through the mushrooms with 2 knives, and it's really fun. Next, I'm going to put about 4 garlic cloves through a garlic press. Now, I'm going to cut into quarters 2 zucchinis and 2 yellow squash. Next, I'm going to drain my beans. I'm using 3 kinds of beans: kidney beans, black beans, and pinto beans. So now that all our veggies are chopped and ready, we can start cooking. We're going to start by heating some olive oil in a large pot. Then we're going to throw in our mushrooms and cook out all the moisture. The mushrooms are going to act as kind of the meaty, umami component of our chili. Once you've gotten a lot of the moisture out of the mushrooms, we're going to add in our onions, carrots, and celery. We're going to let the vegetables cook down until the onions are translucent, and then we're going to go ahead and add in our garlic and our seasonings. I'm going to be using a whole bunch of chili powder, cumin, salt, and pepper. I'm really eyeballing the seasonings here. I'm probably adding less than I should at the beginning because I'm going to go back and taste it and add more if I think it needs more. But you can't take away once you've added too much, so it's good to restrain yourself a little bit if you're eyeballing this like me. Once I've added the seasonings, I'm going to go ahead and clear a little space in the middle of the pot and add in a good dollop of tomato paste. You're going to want to kind of cook the tomato paste on its own a little bit, and once it's heated up, you're going to go ahead and mix it with all the vegetables. And now I'm going to add my zucchini and squash and make sure those are mixed well. Next, I'm going to add in all the beans and mix it around real good. Now that all my vegetables are in the pot and cooking, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 whole cans of crushed tomatoes along with their juice. After I've mixed everything together, I can go ahead and fill in all the gaps and fill the rest of the pot with vegetable broth. We're going to bring it to a boil and then let it simmer on the stove for about an hour, and you're going to want to stir it occasionally. You're going to want to be tasting your chili while it's cooking to make sure that all the seasonings are okay. If it needs some more salt, add some more salt. If it doesn't quite taste like chili, add some more chili powder and cumin. Simple as that. After about an hour has passed, you should be left with a nice thick pot of veggie chili. And there you have it, vegetarian chili. As always, let's take a bite. It really is a nice chili. Like the seasonings are really nice. I like the beans. All the vegetables taste great. This is just great, healthy vegetarian thing you can use for a healthy meal prep all week. And I really hope you make it for yourself and enjoy. And if you enjoy this video, remember to subscribe for more Gregcipes. The celery is bringing me down. I was gonna say garlic cress, softening up. God, why do I keep talking? I talk too much and you'll kick yourself because now you got to scrape burnt veggies out of the bottom of your Dutch oven. Bam! Bam!